Hey, you okay? Those two over there? Give me those plates. Gentlemen, my name is Mindy and I will be your server today. Is there anything else I can get for you? Well, my girl doesn't feel too comfortable serving you all, so I'll be taking over. Sweetheart, have you ever heard the term kill them with kindness? Well, there's only so much kindness I'm willing to give out. So I suggest you eat your food, pay your bill, tip nicely, and get on out of town. Great. Again, my name is Mindy. Sweetheart, don't let them get to you. As long as I've been here, I've been talked to which in every way. But I have learned a couple of things over those years. You either sit there and just take it, or you learn to talk right back at them. And sweetheart, once you do, they can never back you into any corner again. Here you go, Lucas. Now, how many times have you asked me out? And what do I always say? I got a business to run, Lucas. You're one of my best customers and I can't be messing that up. I'll tell you what, if you can remember in detail what I was wearing to our senior prom, I'll consider a date.